In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Bluetooth on Windows 11. So first of all, click on the start icon and click on settings. And after that, you need to click on Bluetooth and device. So click on, and here first option is Bluetooth. Currently it's turned off. Just click on here to turn on. Now you can add device here to click. So as you can see, audio device, mic or keyboard here or wireless display, or you can directly turn on or enable Bluetooth here. Just click on this icon and it's open another window. And as you can see, currently Bluetooth is turned on, or you can just off here. Yes, and you can see the connected device or available device here. So yeah, because that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.